What's up, gamers? We're here, back once again. This time a little bit different. We're going to be opening up my new PC. Worked real hard for this one, this bad boy. The price for it is actually pretty insane. It's only about $1,200 after tax. And some of the specs on this, you'll be very surprised. Now, this is very special for a couple reasons. Not only because it has a big old lightning bolt on it. I don't even know if you can see it on the front, can you? No, but you'll see it a bunch here. It's by CyberPower. And I got their brand originally when I was like 14, so it was about 10 years ago. I had my first gaming computer pre-built. Now after that, I built a couple ones, but it's a little expensive to build nowadays. So with pre-built, makes life a little bit easier right now also. And like I said, the specs on this thing, if they are what they say they are, you can't beat that. Also, it did come with promotional for the Marvel's Guardians of the Galaxy video game, which I tried to redeem. But funny enough, you can't redeem it until you actually get this computer and you redeem it on this computer. It is bound by the graphics card, which is really scummy, but that's besides the point. So, you know, I guess that's to prevent people from selling them, but once you spend $1,200, I think you'd be able to do whatever you want if you don't want the game. So let's just crack this open. I'll show you the side of this, and, well, that's already
Didn't you fry your first PC?
Huh?
Didn't you fry your first PC?
No, I fried probably like my third PC when I put RAM in there, which, come to find out, I think the RAM was actually bad from where we bought it. So it was either the screwdriver being mechanical or it was the RAM. So it came down to one of those two things. But putting a mechanical screwdriver into stabbing it when you don't know it's mechanical doesn't really help anything. So here's some information on the side there. You want to check it out. So it is Windows 11. So some people are probably like, ew, why Windows 11 there? But we'll see how well that runs because it is an Intel CPU, 3.9 gigahertz on the i5, which apparently Intel runs better on Windows 11 than AMD. So we'll see there on that one. 16 gigabytes of DDR4. Previous computer only had DDR3 for 16 gigabytes on mine. I maxed out the motherboard and everything there. GeForce RTX 3060 12 gigabytes. That is monstrous given this price. So I'm very curious there. 500 gigabyte PCIe NVMe SSD. I know my buddy Oz is excited for that one because I've never had an NVMe SSD. They're really fast, and we'll see. Also comes with a 1 terabyte hard drive. I'm gonna pop a ton more hard drives in there. Don't worry, my old computer had 5 hard drives. We got the good old RGB case lighting. You gotta have RGB if you're a gamer, am I right? It comes with Wi-Fi built in, oddly enough. Gaming keyboard for your gamers, some gaming mouses. They got some lightning bolts over, and 1 year standard warranty there. So let's just crack this open here and see what we got here inside. So, oh man, so
I watched the mail guy struggle to carry that, like up the driveway.
He was struggling. It is a big boy. So this is our keyboard here. And we'll crack that open when we start getting everything else. I think I saw the mouse right here. So here's the mouse. So these are in their own little packages there. And we're just gonna open this one here on the floor. Here we go. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Money shot.
Not much is happening.
Well, yeah.
You're struggling.
I gotta wiggle it out. I just want to be careful. You know what I mean?
Don't be careful. Break it.
It's like
It'll be funny.
$1,200 baby right there. So let's figure out where's the top and where's the bottom of the bad boy. I feel already this is the bottom there, and so we're gonna slide this out right here. Also, there's one more thing in the box. Actually, a couple things in the box. This is I'm guessing. Let's see. Well, this one came in a Ziploc bag. Nice. So we got a power cable. That's useful. LED light switch there. Some chopsticks. I'm kidding. This is probably just the antennas for the Wi-Fi adapter. So you probably could make the chopsticks there. Insert USB key to begin. Please remove the temporary USB key to the right of this cord. Insert to your computer's USB slot to begin the process. leave a review and get a $10 Amazon gift card. Hey. So let's see what that's all about after a while. And this is a quick start guide telling you how to turn on a computer. And a nice little baggie. You got a nice little Ziploc baggie. I'll put bacon in there or something like. Who knows? So let's pop this out, and this won't be that impressive until we really turn it on. Huh? What?
What?
Huh?
What?
Nothing. Like I said, it won't really be that impressive until we turn it on. I really don't want to open it up on the floor, but we don't really have anywhere else to kind of open it up right now. So here's our bad boy. Right here. Holy moly. What is going on here?
Why?
Now, we're going to transition this
Why?
to the top of the table. There's a reason why.
You're the reason why?
I'm the reason why. You take a look here. My computer has a big old bag of air in it.
Oh my god.
So we're going to have to take that out real quick. And we're also
How could they do this?
Probably make sure.
Tempered glass. I know a lot about tempered glass nowadays.
I know a lot about tempered glass. You wanna play Squid Game with the tempered glass and real glass? We already got the tempered glass. Now we just have to get some glass downstairs. So let's. I have to get a screwdriver for that one in a second. Read before removing. Let's see. Connect the monitor here. Really? Do not connect monitor here. Connect here. I want to show this off, actually. I want to show this off. So, gamers, we can be kind of dummy, alright? Not dummy thick, dummy stupid, right? You got to put right here for the monitor your HDMI, your display ports. You don't put it up here. No, you put it down here where the graphics card is. But you didn't know that, gamers, because you just dumb and stupid sometimes. So, let's throw that over there. And we're going to need, so let's check it out on the back, by the way. So here's our graphics card slot here. We got, what is that? 3 display ports and HDMI port. We got some USB 3.0s, the Ethernet cable, some USB 2.0s looks like. You can kind of tell, well, they're USB 3.1s. You can tell by them being blue, so that just means they're going to run fast. If you don't know the difference between 2.0 and 3.0, but usually when you go up, it gets better. Unless you went from like Windows 7 to like Windows 8. I wasn't so crazy about that. So hopefully Windows 10 to Windows. Look at my lightning bolt right here. He's got some dirt on him.
Yeah, because there's film on it.
Oh, it's the thank you. This is like ASMR right here.
Nobody enjoyed that.
Rate the satisfaction.
That was not satisfying.
Not satisfying enough. Right there.
Wow.
Okay, so
it's like they knew it was for you.
Next up is we need to remove the sealed air because very clearly.
Why not? Just run it with the PC.
We can't. What?
Just run the sealed air with the PC. It's fine.
Let's see. I don't know. I have nothing to really open that up right now. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Okay, everyone needs to know that.
No, it's like a. They don't teach you kids anything in school nowadays.
I knew that.
What do they teach you guys in school nowadays? They don't teach
Algebra 2.
Back in my day.
All right. Are you just gonna pop down? Maybe you're gonna pop sideways. Okay. So gamers, always remember, take out. It really is tempered glass. We could probably step on it. Always remember, take out your sealed air. All right, you want to show this off right here? So we got looks like in the back here where it's covered, and there's actually it's not got the tempered glass. This is going to be where we got our hard drive set up. So of course we got a cooler master fan. They're pretty darn good. Looks like we have 2 more slots to actually put our RAM in. It's going to be a little bit of a weird fit though.
Okay, that was just your head.
Yeah, just my head. It's going to be a little bit of a weird fit though. But we actually got some Some pretty cool hot red RAM. The GeForce RTX. It's got 2 fans on it. XC. So I'm not too familiar with this brand for the 3060s, but we'll try it out. We'll see. Let's get her turned on. Let's see how she goes. Let's see if it even turns on. That means will it turn on? We'll find out. So.
What if it doesn't turn on? What are you gonna do then?
I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry live on camera. And
You'll probably get more views if you do. That'll be fun.
I'll have to wait another week and a half for this, and then this video won't be like a opening, unboxing, review, showcase, whatever. It'll just be Grown Man Cries at Broken PC from Amazon or from CyberPower. Tempered glass, handle with care. We can just remove that. I'm gonna delay this by a little bit to take that out.
Quality content.
Yeah, quality. So you guys might know.
Oh.
Not.
Oh no.
Not poggers right there.
Ugh, don't say that.
Porgers, like porgers from Star Wars.
Who?
The little porg creature.
Oh. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Don't you hate it when it doesn't tear away smoothly and then it's just awful right there. Ready? You ready?
Oh my god. It's happening. Oh my goodness
It's
gracious.
turned on.
How could this happen?
Yo,
it's
let's
so
go.
amazing. Wonderful and spectacular.
Let's go. Now here comes the fun part. We're gonna have to connect these cable, whatever. HDMI cable to it. So let's go find this HDMI. Alright, so there's our mouse. We can already kind of move it around. Yes, for United States. Is this the right keyboard layout? Well, I need to get the keyboard set up first. If you're a monster who has a 60% mechanical keyboard down below, leave your comment of what's your favorite type, because my cousin wants one of those. And
Oh, like the loud clicky clack ones?
the loud clicky clacky, and they don't have this part, which is, if you play most modern games, it's kind of actually really important. But that's besides the point. So, all right, let's check out the keyboard. So mouse, it's green. I like that. And this is
White.
doing its own thing. So let's see.
Who is that?
One of my many adored family members and friends.
What?
When I had a second keyboard? No. Just a moment. Uh-oh.
Is it on? Probably not.
No.
Oh, maybe it is on.
Yeah. Oh, gigabyte. Giga. So we got a giga for our motherboard.
That's so crazy. I don't know what that means.
Gigabyte usually also has like the nice Wi-Fi adapters. So.
Good for them.
Yes.
Dom, be kind. Oh my gosh.
Trying to see where the please review the license. Yeah, whatever. You can take my soul, Microsoft. Can't take my soul if I'm offline though. Also, fun fact about Windows 11, by the way, guys, you cannot install Windows 11 if you don't have internet. So, like, if you're stuck out in the middle of
The Sahara.
The ocean, and don't be in the Sahara, your computer's gonna catch on fire. If you're out in the middle of the ocean and you're like, man, I really want to install this computer, I got nothing better to do, like trying to survive, then, you know.
Try to survive with the computer.
What do I use this for? Gaming, school, creativity, entertainment, business. Business. Yeah, I bought an RTX 3060 for business. Back up my files in OneDrive? No. We don't have enough space for that. 5 gigabytes. That's, what am I going to put on there? Minecraft?
Yes.
Back up my Minecraft? Try for free. No thanks, I already have it. So, I got the real deal. Thanks, college. Play over 100 high-quality PC games for your Xbox Game Pass or PC.
Nobody cares.
For PC.
Skip.
I will skip for now, but I will actually, if it's only $1, and it's, I think, was it 3 months or 1 month? That's pretty good. I got it before for $1 for 3 months, and that's really good. They got a lot of good stuff on there. All right, so meet Windows 11.
Whoa.
I don't think Cortana's on here by default.
Thank God. I hate that bitch. Whoa. I didn't mean to say that. That was like hidden aggression.
So, we got some stuff here. It's adaptive. It snaps. I love snapping. Better together. Apps you know and love at a glance. Is this monitor touchscreen?
No.
Not okay. Well, we gotta wait for it to install. It's gonna take a hot second, so jump cut.
No.
You can just
We
stop.
will. No.
You gotta stop.
We will not stop.
No, because I don't want to kill the hard drive space.
Alright everyone, so we're on the device now. It's showing you guys the computer details, making sure that everything is exactly how it says it is. We have the processor here with 3.9 gigahertz for the 11th gen Intel i5, 11600KF, 4.5 gigahertz, the 12 number of cores there, 16 gigabytes of RAM. We do have the RTX 3060 with 12 gigabytes for dedicated memory. So it is pretty much everything it says it is. For some reason it says that it's Windows 10 32-bit, but I am on Windows 11, as you guys can see here. Got some stuff set up, played around with it for a day from the previous day. If you guys see me get that all set up, the big thing here, I don't have anything running right now, but it will get the CPU a little intensive. It does heat up a bit. Fan speeds are not that loud, by the way. Main board stays really cool, that's good. GPU hasn't heated up really at all, and I was playing Warzone and Red Dead, but on stuff like Warzone in particular, it's not that optimized anyways, but on CPU, that's where you'll really see a lot of the heat up there. I'll have to try it with a couple other games, see what it does. For the most part, it was getting a little bit hotter, up in like 80 degrees Celsius, but in particular in Warzone, it was pushing like 90 degrees Celsius, so something to keep track of there. But other than that, I am liking it. I do highly recommend it. Double thumbs up there for CyberPower, and stay tuned for some stuff there. And I'm really excited to show you guys some stuff and show like what this Windows 11 is really all about and how it's going to do in terms of performance. That being said, everyone, keep it safe.